Welcome back, friends. I'm Ranjana Kamo, and today we're going to talk about decision making. Dilemmas, as you know, are difficult to get through. Whenever we are faced with decision making, we let our past experiences cloud our judgment. We look at the various experiences of our friends and family, and that also affects our decisions. Our mindsets get clouded by the influence of the social circle, and of course, the financial aspects of the decision are a deal breaker most of the times. Today, I bring to you the story of my friend Stanley. Stanley had to take a decision on picking up a venture which was his dream. He knew that this was his passion and his judgment could get clouded, so he decided to step back and take an unbiased view of the situation. He looked at the various possible alternatives available with him and he decided on the worst possible outcomes that he could have from the various decisions. He knew that he could go bankrupt, which would be the worst possible outcome from his decision. But since this was his dream, he was willing to take the risk. And he looked at the various other alternatives and he knew that if he were to pick up anything other than his dream, he would be miserable all through his life, and that would be worse than being bankrupt. He also looked at the best outcomes from his decisions and he knew that pursuing his dream may take 2 or 3 years, but the benefits would be immense. He did not know any industry expert whom he could consult, but then, since this venture was going to be his dream venture and he was willing to take the risks that were associated with it, he went ahead with his decision. It took him 2 to 3 years, but he runs a successful company now. This is exactly how we make all our decisions. We look at our dreams and our passions and they become our goals. These could be short term or long term goals for our life. Then we look at the various alternatives that are available to us and compare them with our goal. We decide on the best possible outcomes and the worst case scenarios of choosing all these alternatives. We decide on the ones where we are willing to take the risk if faced with the worst possible scenarios. We decide on our course of action in case we are faced with the worst possible outcomes. We talk to industry experts and get their opinions, and then we make our decisions. And these steps hold true for all the decisions that we have to make in our life. Find your goal, look at the best and the worst that is possible, look at what you are going to do in case faced with the worst case scenarios of your decisions. Look at the benefits that are going to accrue. Decide on what you would do in case you are faced with the worst possible scenarios. And get opinions from industry experts and then make your decisions. So I hope this is going to be useful the next time you're faced with some dilemmas. Take care and goodbye.